Hey, good morning, everyone. We have a very quick reading lesson for you. So today you get to go through some reading slides. You get to answer the essential question, go over new vocabulary words, you get to listen to a read aloud from Mrs. Wagner, and then you get to work on our phonics skill. And so quickly we're going to go over the phonics skill for the week, and it's or. You can make the sound or with a few different letter combinations. It can just be O-R or, O-R-E or O-A-R or. We have a hunk and chunk for O-R. It goes O-R or, O-R or, I want more fish. And then we have an O-A hunk and chunk. So we say O-er. It goes O said to A, oh, I love you. And A said, absolutely nothing. So, or. These are the words for the O-R column. Repeat after me. Born, corn. And then for the O-R-E pattern, or, we have core and more. Lastly, for the O-A-R pattern, we have roar and soar. We have two other words that you'll need to know this week, and they are learn and sure. This week we're reading about inventors. Pretty sweet. So we're going to divide our paper into fourths and do a quick fourths review. Pick a word from the paper. Okay, say it out loud. What's your word? Very good. My first hint is that my word says or. So it can be any of these six. It can't be learn or sure. Pick a word. What's your word? All right. My next hint is that it has the O-R or hunk and chunk. So it can be in one of these columns. What's your word? My next hint is that my word is in this column. It can be core or more. And then lastly, I'm going to use the word in a sentence, okay? My sentence is, Simon wants blank attention. Core or more? If you said more, you are correct. Simon wants more attention. So let's pick two words that rhyme with it. You can do more. More is our word. Okay, you can make more. All three of these words rhyme with more, right? More, core. More, roar. More, store. The parrot squawked out more. Oh, what a noisy bird. He changed the into a st. And this is what we heard. Store. I put an ST at the beginning instead of the M, and that changes more to store, okay? We can also do a number word, and it's not spelled the same, but it rhymes. The parrot squawked out more, oh, what a noisy bird. He changed the into a f, and this is what we heard, four. You could have written core or roar or soar, or I have to do a chore. All right, let's use the word more in a sentence. I'm going to do an exclamation or hunk and chunk. I. Whenever I is by itself, it has to be capitalized. And it's the start of a sentence. So I'm going to write, I want more fish. Exclamation mark. I want more fish. What's your sentence? You can pause it if you have to take more time to write it. We're going to go into the puzzles. Alright, so for the puzzles I have 2 words. I didn't put my words in alphabetical order this time, so this might be more difficult for you than last week. There are 2 words that start with C, but only one of them ends with an N. And there's one word that has an EA in it. It doesn't say either. So for the first one, which one starts with a C and ends with an N? Did you say corn? You are correct. And then the last one, which one has EA in it? You said learn for the last puzzle. You are correct. Alright, so have fun going through the reading slides. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.